My name's Elysia English and welcome to my channel. Today we are visiting the dump to see if we can find any treasures. We were really excited to be able to get out to the dump today. The dump has been really hit and miss with all the cold weather that we've been having. Not as many items get taken to the landfill, which is a positive, but it is harder to find treasures this time of year with the snow approaching. We were able to find a few fun treasures that we're going to create with during this video. If you like my trash and treasure videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave me a like down below to show your support. Before we get creating, I want to talk to you about something that I noticed this week while I was out finding supplies that I needed to prepare for my big show. I noticed while I was out picking up my supplies that I needed that there was a lot of people out shopping and the lineups were down the rows and there was so much consumption happening with the holidays coming. So I want to challenge you to follow my new challenge called the Made with Love Challenge. And during this month and next month, I'll be showing you lots of fun ideas for handmade items that you can make to give as gifts for the holidays. I'm hoping that I can inspire people to create gifts that are made with love for their friends and family and help keep down some of that consumption. So what I want you to do is tag me at Elysia English on any social media platform that you use and hashtag made with love. I'll put the hashtag down below. As a YouTube family, I hope that we can inspire others to follow our challenge of creating things made with love to give to friends and family. This will keep the world's consumption down this holiday and give some really special gifts to friends and family. This doesn't mean that you can't buy consumable items or items that you need to make something. It just means that we can be more mindful of the things that we're purchasing. It doesn't mean that our family is going to have a completely handmade Christmas. We have lists that the kids are giving us of a few things they want, but we have some really special things in mind that we want to make them for the holidays as well. So just being more mindful of what our spending is so those items don't end up as waste in the landfill. With all the hashtags that you guys are sending, we're going to create some content for you guys coming up to show all of the awesome Made with Love items that you guys will tag me in on your socials. I already know since you guys tag me on all of your socials that this works and how quickly that this can spiral. So let's together try to inspire the world. Don't forget to tag me at Elysia English and hashtag Made with Love so that I see your links. Let's get creating. Visited the dump so we can see if we can find some treasures. It started snowing here today in Canada and it was just fitting because I was able to find these awesome vintage skis at the dump. And since I'm much better at creating things than I am skiing, I'm going to actually use these for a project for our video. I also found this falling apart packaging of a little Santa's Christmas wish list. Looks like it came from a craft store or something, but we're going to use this for inspiration for something we're gonna make. And this week, a client of mine dropped off this cute little bench. She picked it up thrifted, and so I'm going to restore it. And because she wants it a beautiful Christmas red, I thought it would be perfect for this video. Using the palm sander, I'm going to lightly sand over the entire surface of the bench. That way I can make sure that it's super smooth, fill any holes that need to be filled, and make sure that this is prepped and ready for painting. When painting furniture, the first coat doesn't always look the greatest. Don't get discouraged. It's usually just the first coat that looks a little bit rough. And if you're getting full coverage when you paint your first coat, you're likely using too much paint. So you want to just do a nice thin coat for your first coat, let it dry thoroughly, and then move on to your next coats. Apparently someone had a skiing accident because one of these skis is broken, which is perfectly fine because what I want to make with them, I need to cut them down to length. I'm going to turn these into coat racks, which means I can make two, one with some black hooks and one with some silver. There are some different shapes to this ski, and so I've selected the perfect spot to put all of the hooks. I'm trying to put 5 hooks on, that way it's enough to hold an entire family's jackets. I made sure to bend this hook so that it formed the shape of the ski a little better on this spot. Because I cut the end off to make it a little bit shorter to cut off the broken part, I have some exposed natural wood here. I'm going to rub a little bit of stain on it to make it blend in with the piece. Using the scrap end of the ski, I'm going to create a little plaque. So I'm going to cut it to the size that I want. Using my stain, I'm going to repair the end. inside the package that I found at the dump was this little Santa's wish list sheet, which looks like a really long list for Santa. But what I'm gonna do is cut this a little bit shorter, and I'm going to use some hinge clips and install this on the top. I'm also going to create a little hanger so it can hang up. I'm going to drill 2 holes to be able to make a jute string to hang it up. Using a thicker gauge jute, I'm going to create a handle. I'm going to tie the knots at the front to add some details. Ooh, what about some cute beads? Shoes, like Christmas color beads. I'm going to glue on a hinge clip so that I can attach the Santa's list. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I think it's perfect, especially for our home since our family loves to ski. Saving these from the landfill has given them new life. And the broken end tip of the ski turned into the cute little Santa's wish list. I think my client will love the red bench. I'll be adding a clear coat poly after about 24 hours. I like to let the paint cure for a couple of days before applying a protective coat. If you like these trash turned into treasure, don't forget to hit that like button. I have lots of other trash to treasure videos. You can check out the playlist on my channel. A reminder about our Made with Love challenge. You need to add Elysia English, #Made with Love. I'm challenging myself to make as many Christmas gifts as I can this year made with love. I hope my videos inspire you to think twice when throwing things out and to create more projects using upcycled materials. You guys are inspiring me so much with all of your comments, so please leave me a comment down below. Be sure to share this video with people you know so we can spread the news of our Made to Love challenge. Thanks so much for being part of my YouTube family. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.